It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Wednesday, July the 1st. I'm Michael Groff. A warming trend for the rest of the week, and as we head into the 4th of July weekend, high temperatures will once again get pretty close to 110 degrees. We'll see some moisture picking up across parts of the state as well, leading to isolated mountain thunderstorms. But will we see anything here in the valley? And what about that monsoon pattern? Any sign of that setting up over the southwest anytime soon? All right, we'll get into it first. Here's the almanac from yesterday. 100 degrees was the afternoon high, 76 the morning low. The normal high, 107, the normal low, 82. And outside now here at 8:45 a.m. Mostly clear skies out there. 84 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 38, humidity 19%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area this morning, 73 at Fort McDowell and Buckeye, 74 up on Thompson Peak, but on the other side of the coin, 90 in Sun City, 91 in North Scottsdale. Satellite shows clear skies here across Arizona, but some moisture over northwest Mexico in association, at least in part, with what was a tropical depression off the Baja coast. That is, of course, since weakened, but a little of that moisture will try to creep into Arizona over the next 24 to 36 hours. Here's the watch warning map. Still some red flag warnings across parts of the west. Heat advisories for the Arklatex region. Some flood watches around St. Louis and some of the adjacent areas. Convective outlook for today. A few marginal risk zones. One up there near Yellowstone. Got another from St. Louis southeastward toward Birmingham, Alabama. And a third there for the Middle Atlantic. In Arizona, the southeastern quarter of the state's in the green. That means there could be some thunderstorms, but no severe weather is anticipated. Precipitation for the next 7 days. No rain expected here in Metro Phoenix. Some light precip possible for the higher terrain, eastern Arizona, and perhaps along the southern border of our state. But let's look at modeling right now and see where that trend is headed. We'll look at the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Still have a fairly decent upper low over Alberta, and a trough continues here over the western states. Heights just a little bit below average in Arizona. So down at the surface today, mostly sunny skies, maybe a few afternoon clouds, and an isolated shower or thunderstorm over the eastern mountains of our state. I don't think we're going to see any blowing dust getting into the lower deserts, though. Highs this afternoon should be 99 to 102. So yes, several degrees below average. Tonight, the skies are mostly clear to partly cloudy. Some surface moisture may start to creep up, though, as southerly flow develops, thanks in part to a ridge developing to our east. Overnight lows will be warmer, too, generally mid-70s to low 80s. And then tomorrow, we'll call it partly sunny. Could be some showers and thunderstorms again developing over the eastern mountains, maybe a little bit more numerous than today. And I guess one or two of those might kick up some patchy blowing dust that could get into parts of the valley tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. That looks like a very low-end risk, but certainly enough to mention it here. Highs tomorrow will still be a little bit below average, between 100 and 103. The humidity levels might be just a little higher tomorrow, may feel just a bit sticky. Certainly not oppressive, though. Friday, mostly sunny, highs 103 to 106. Any moisture will be confined to the eastern mountains, perhaps along the rim country as well. Isolated thunderstorms there. And 4th of July looks fairly seasonal for us. Mostly sunny skies, highs 106 to 109. Isolated mountain thunderstorms continue. And that will be the case every day going forward. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy for us here in the valley on Sunday and Monday. Highs 108 to 111. And Tuesday, we might back off temperatures a couple of degrees with a little bit more moisture coming in, perhaps. The height fields coming down ever so slightly. High temperatures still around 105 to 108. The sky mostly sunny to partly cloudy. All right, here we go to a week from today. This is Wednesday, the 8th of July, troughing along the Pacific Northwest coast, ridging just to our east, a southwesterly flow. Some moisture over the eastern mountains, but it looks like we'll stay dry. And as we go out further, this is Friday, the 10th of July, a 597 ridge over the nation's heartland. That would be a heat wave for many of those folks. We would be on the periphery of the ridge, and the GFS has an inverted trough moving into northern Mexico and southern Arizona. We've seen that on several runs now, but discrete features like that, forecasting those things this far out, yeah, pretty hard to do, so we're not going to buy into that concept just yet. But climatologically speaking, this is about the time where we start to see those thunderstorms getting into the lower deserts with our summer monsoon season. So let's hope so. Now, as we look at precipitation coming off of the European Ensemble, 51 members here, and this is not very optimistic. A couple of members do try to show some precip in here Thursday night, Friday morning, but for the most part, look at that ensemble mean. Generally under 0.15 of an inch. Not that good. All right, temperatures off the national blend of models. We'll keep it below average today and tomorrow and then warm it up as we head toward the 4th of July weekend and beyond. High temperatures pretty close to 110, overnight lows mostly in the 80s. And that'll do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new video, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe out there. Stay cool. Drink plenty of water. Watch your kids around the swimming pools. And you guys have yourselves a great Wednesday.